Today, Gmail has entered the Gemini era. It has now become a personal, proactive inbox assistant. Inside your Gmail account, you now have an AI inbox, where users can filter out the noise and see what matters most. With one click, users receive a snapshot of to-dos from their important emails, and related messages are organized into topics so they can quickly see what needs attention. With this new feature, you can get things done faster. It can write a response back to someone. It can look up an email based on a topic, and you can adjust your tone to have it write more as you do. You can ask it to adjust the response, and it will rewrite it for you. If you receive an email that includes a specific date and time, it will check your Google Calendar and suggest times when you are free. It will then write a response for you. Basically, you can ask your inbox anything.
What was the Italian restaurant we went to last year in New York?
It was Trattoria Altastrat for your birthday dinner with Gene. Shall I pull up more info?
Gmail is calling it the new Gemini era.